How to Succeed as a Clickbank Affiliate by Sharon Anthony Jones. Step 1. Choose your niche. 3 questions to ask. 1. What are you interested in? 2. Do people spend money in it? 3. Are there products to promote? Step 2. Build your platform. Make congruent platforms for every niche. It will improve your means of communication with potential customers. Step 3. Grow your audience. Attracting a larger audience means a larger pool of potential customers. Make a Facebook fan page for every niche. Step 4. Promote products. Promote to your targeted audience with products specifically for them. Always remember to track whatever it is you're promoting. Then rinse and repeat. Step 5. Join ClickFunnels. Amazingly, it's the vehicle that will get you to where you are going.